The bird among ducks. Awaken the eagle within. In a quiet village, a gentleman raised many ducks. He loved them, fed them, and every morning they followed his call, bo 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 bo. One stormy night, a colorful bird fell beneath a tree, soaked, cold, and trembling, shivering. The next morning the man found it. He gently picked it up and whispered, "What a rare duck," and brought it home. The bird grew among ducks, waddling in mud, eating grains, running at the sound of bo 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 bo. It forgot its wings, it forgot the skies. Years passed. One day, a visitor came to the farm. He paused, stared at the strange bird, and said, "This is not a duck. It was never meant to walk." The man laughed. "I raised it. It became a duck." "No," the friend replied. "You only taught it to forget what it was." With care, he lifted the bird, opened its heavy eyelids, and turned its face towards the golden sun. A sudden spark, a shimmer, a memory. The bird stretched its feathers, shivered, then soared. Above the ponds, over the streams, beyond the hills, into the clouds, above the mountains. The man cried out, "Come back! Bo 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 bo!" He scattered grains, but the bird never looked down. It was not a duck. It was an eagle, born to rise, born to see, born to fly. Many live their whole life like ducks, told how to walk, how to follow, when to eat. But deep within them is an eagle waiting to rise. This is not just a story about a bird, it was about you. You were never meant to fit in. You were meant to soar, to break limits, to rise above what the world told you to be. How long you will believing you are just another duck, when deep within you there are wings built for the skies? It's a wake-up call. You were not created to follow the crowd, but to rise above it, to remember who you are, to stretch your wings and to fly. So today, stop looking at the ground. Lift your eyes to the light because you were born to fly. Don't let the world convince you to waddle when you were born to fly.